point is the static in bracket fixed size bracket complete memory partitions. Okay, next point is the static in bracket fixed size memory partitions. Okay, now first thing is that here memory is divided into a number of fixed size partition and do not change in the system range. System runs. Okay, म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय जी मेमरी आहे that particular memory are divided into number of partition, but that particular partitions are in equal size or a fixed size, and that size or that partition are do not change when the systems are runs or systems are going on successful that time. Okay, now each partition contains exactly one process for execution. म्हणजे मेमरीचे जे पार्टिशन केलेलं आहे ठीक आहे ते प्रत्येक पार्टिशन हे फिक्स साईजचं आहे आणि प्रत्येक पार्टिशनमध्ये एक प्रोसेस आहे एक्झिक्युशन करण्यासाठी. Now here two methods. First one is equal size partition and second one is a unequal size partitions. Now here is a equal size partition figure. Okay, म्हणजे 8 MB, 12 MB, 16 MB, 20 MB. These partitions are equal size partitions. Here is the OS. Here OS are fixed size like suppose just 8 MB. Now another size are like a 12, 16 and 20 MB like that. Okay, these size are a fixed size. Okay, that is the equal size partitions. Now second thing is that unequal size partitions. Now here is the OS 8 MB. Now here is the 14, then 18, then 22 MB. This is the unequal size partitions like that large, medium, small OS memory. Okay, म्हणजे ह्या अनइक्वल साईज पार्टिशन्स मध्ये जे पार्टिशन असतात त्यांची साईज ही इक्वल नसते. ठीक आहे, आणि इक्वल साईज पार्टिशन मध्ये प्रत्येक पार्टिशनची साईज कशी असते ही इक्वल असते. सो दॅट्स दिस इज अ इक्वल पार्टिशन and this is the unequal size of partitions. Now here is the important thing is that advantages of a static fixed size memory partition. First thing is that implementation is very simple. Now this is the implementations are very simple of a static memory partitions. Now second advantage is a efficient utilization processor and input output devices. When we just perform and when we just use a static oblique fixed size memory partition, that time number of processors or process and input output devices are maximum utilizations, maximum times are access or use. Now some disadvantages is how to determine partition with sizes. म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण static oblique fixed size memory partition करतो त्यावेळेस that time the systems are little bit in a confusion condition. That time system do not exactly know what is the exactly size and what is the exactly partitions. म्हणजे जे पार्टिशन सिस्टीमला करायचे आहे मेमरीचे त्या पार्टिशन जे करणार आहे that partitions are totally depend on the size of the process. Okay, now second disadvantage is the memory wastage. Whenever we just whenever the system performs static oblique fixed size memory partition, that time memory are wastage. Okay, now third disadvantage is the limit of degree of multi-programming. Means multi-programmings are that particular concept, that particular process are little used, not a much more used. Okay, in the fixed size memory partitions. Now last disadvantage is the number of process are fixed. Whenever the systems are perform or use a static memory partition, that times the process are fixed. Okay, this is exactly a simple explanations of a static in bracket fixed size memory partitions. I hope all of you understand these concepts. If you any doubt, ask me by message or call. Okay.